Is it working now? Like, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Ala, pasensya na. Now, can you hear me? Oh, it wasn't working. Thank you. Where's the mic? Sorry. Oh. It dropped in there. Hi, hello everyone. Sorry for the... Sorry. Sorry. Okay, now it's working? It's fine? Okay, thank you. Thank you! Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Ba't di ka sinabi? Ba't di ka naman sinabi? Ganyan naman kayo. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Anyway, hello ulit. Take two. Okay lang yan. Kamusta kayo? It's been a while. Kamusta yung weather dyan? Because the weather here, it's raining. As I told you earlier. Thank you so much! Ate, thank you! Thank you. Thank you for saying, grabe. Today, so what I was saying earlier is like, we're going to dive into some of the must-haves Korean beauty products and skincare as well with Cellarket's website, of course. I'm going to pin it, the comment. In that link, you can check my recommendations, my personal recommendations, and you can also buy some of their products, not just like Korean skincare or beauty. They also have something for fashion, for health as well. Sa mga kagaya kong health conscious na today, ba't ako nagayap? Ba't ang bilis ko magsalita? Sinong naghahabol sa akin, di ba? Sino naghahabol sa akin? Wala naman. By the way, pwede mag-Tagalog dito kasi hindi naman nila naiintindihan. So, it's fine, di ba? Kwentuhan lang with the twist nga. Because I'm going to share some of their products that I personally love and use actually. Especially these brands, they're really popular here in Korea. Like, sa atin, kung sa Watsons, dito sa Olive Young, ito yung pinaka-popular products nila, is where. So, Pretty Nicole, thank you, Ate Natella. So, kung ready na kayo, let's comment, let's glow. Let's glow na kung ready na kayo. Are you guys ready? Grabe talaga kanina, ang dami kong yunap, hindi pala ako naririnig. Hello, everyone. Hello. So, as you can tell, na very excited ako today. Ngayon, magda-dive in na tayo sa mga products na kanina ko pa hina-hype sa inyo. I'm not even doing sales talk right now because actually, Cellarket's platform, they offer like free worldwide shipping. As I said earlier, doesn't matter kung nasa Philippines ka or sa States or sa ibang bansa, you can get a free worldwide shipping. No minimum required. Sa Shopee, we have minimum required, diba? Kahit na sa mga small business stores. But here, since they're like a global company, you can get like a free shipping. So, kung may gusto kayong acquire na Korean products, you can check Cellarket's website and platform as well. And there, you can use their SUT token. It's like a coin na you can exclusively use through Cellarket's platform and makakaget kayo ng 1+1 offer. Which means, double yung product na makukuha nyo, but with the price of one. Diba? Sobrang a win is a win, guys. Diba? A win is a win. Anyway, for the first product. Ang first product natin, ano ba? Okay, this one. Diba sobrang cute ng packaging? Hindi ba siya cute? Right? Sobrang cute niya. This one, it's called Lily by Red Love Bim Cheek Mousse. Ang ganda yung packaging niya. So when you receive it, it's like this. And yung packaging, sobrang, it's like me. Sobrang kikay ng packaging niya, guys. round of applause. Moment of silence. Everyone. This is a blush for girls. But actually, this is for me, a multi-product. Like, you can use it sa lips and eyes as well. Diba? A win is a win. Locks. Comment naman kayo anong gusto nyo. Like, kwentuhan tayo. Di naman nila magigets. Tatagalog naman tayo. Kwentuhan. Kung meron kayong gustong itanong related sa Korea, ask me. Sobrang ask me. Hello everyone. We're going here. Grabe, hindi na siya mabuksan. Hi. Ay, hindi ko siya mabuksan, ate. Paano to? Hindi siya mabuksan. Hala siya. Hala siya. Ba't ang dami niyo pala? Ang ano ng seller natin, napaka-clumsy. Hindi siya mabuksan. Wait lang. Comment nga kayo, interact tayo. Kwentuhan muna tayo kasi hindi ko siya mabuksan. Comment kayo. Anything. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Diba? Pero sa totoo lang, check nyo yung ano nila, yung website nila. Even though at first, you're going to at their website, it's all in Korean. Pero, there's an option there that you can change the language from Korean into English. So, you can manage it like, kabado ka po, ate. Totoo, ate. Sobra. Sino ka dyan? Di ko siya mabuksan. Okay na. Ito na siya. Diyos ko, transfer. Di ko lang pala hinihintay ko. Diba? See? Ang cute. Sobrang cute. Ako na magde-deliver. Bili na kayo. Diba? Ang cute ng ano nila. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang popular nga ng ano, ng Lily by Red. Lily by Red sa Korea. So, the product is, as I said, a lip cheek mousse. I mean, a cheek mousse na you can use as well sa lips mo and sa eyes mo. For instance, like, di ba, ang cute talaga ng product. Ayokong gamitin kasi nanginayang ako. Mas cute ka. Long-lasting po, ate. Exactly! Speaking of, long-lasting ang ating products. Like, actually, you can use your hands. Pero personally, I love using like cushion or brush when applying to my blush. Ewan ko, mas hygienic. But, there are situations, for example, na nag-exercise ka, na you can use any tools, diba? You can use your hands, diba? Ayan. Ang cute ng ano nito, it's giving sun kiss. Pero umuulan dito sa Korea. Pero sun kiss. Ano ngayon? Umuulan sa Korea, pero sun kiss. Kasi ganyan tayo. Ay, ayan tayo, diba? Apply ko ba siya? Gusto niyo apply ko siya? Pag in-apply ko to sa akin, bibili kayo. Oh, okay, now. Bibili kayo. Looking gorgeous, sabi ni Manshi. Thank you, Manshi. So, as I said earlier, you can use this as your blush. I'm going to apply it as my blush, okay? Sa mga men na viewers natin, actually, there is something for you guys later. So, just stay sa live because I can explain some of the products that you can use as well, not just for girls. So, stay lang kayo, okay? Okay, comment naman kayo. Interact tayo, kwentuhan. Sa mga frustrated kanina, pasensya na. Anyways, I'm going to apply it sa cheeks ko. Magkano shipping yan? Shipping, guys, it's free. You heard me right, it's free. Who doesn't love free stuff? So, doesn't matter kahit ilang product yung bilhin mo. Either isa or dalawa. Through SellerKet's platform or website, you can use like free worldwide shipping, no minimum required. Free talaga siya, as in. Yes, free delivery to the Philippines, to the States, to any Latin American countries. For the payment method, I think it's in the website naman, but like, may PayPal sila, meron din silang, ayun nga, yung SUT token that you can use. Para siyang tina-top up mo yung token. It's a coin, it's a kind of coin, and magiging accessible siya kung sa Philippines ka bibili. Pero actually, not necessarily na yun yung use mo para bumili. You know what I mean? Sa mga payment method na hindi naman accessible or available, you can use those tokens. Pwede pick up, pero sagot ni Seller Ket. Totoo, like yung naka-first class, di ba? Naka-first class sa airplane. Airplane? Ate! Tama na! So, this is the Lily by Red Cheek Mousse. It has airy mousse texture, and it blends seamlessly. Like, sino nagsabing naka-blush ako? Plus, hindi siya cakey, guys. Kasi naka-makeup na ako eh. So, tinop ko siya on top of my makeup. Pero hindi siya cakey. Diba? Cakey ba siya? Sabihin niyo kung cakey siya. Hindi siya cakey, diba? So, this is Lily by Red Love Bame Cheek Mousse. Ang cute ng packaging. Sobrang compact din. Sobrang compact. Diba? Ang cute niya. This is very girly. Sa mga guys dyan na you want to give someone, I mean, to your loved ones, diba? Ito na yan. Kung bibilhan ako ng ganito, ay nako. How much po, ate? Hindi ko rin sure. Check nyo na lang sa ano. Check nyo na lang. You can check the product's price sa personal link ko, guys. I'm going to give you my personal link, my referral code. So it's a win-win situation for the both of us. Cause, aside sa discount na ma-receive nyo, meron din siyang yung ibang offers on top of that. Diba? Makukuha nyo pa rin siya. So may discount ka na from my personal code, and you're going to get the same discount, yung 1+1 offer, at saka yung free worldwide shipping nila, no minimum required. So, ayun lang. Ba't ang pabibi ko? This one is Lily by Red. Plus, available siya for all shades, like mapamorena, mestiza ka, you can use this. It suits all kind of skin tones as well. Perfect siya kung gusto mong youthful K-beauty lang, di ba? Actually, what I've learned in Korea, living here, they focus more on the dimensions of your face. So, kung ako, okay, tips from your Annie. This is a tip like that I personally observe as well sa mga Korean girls. Like, they focus more on dimension. Even the way they gloss, like they place the blush placement, it's kind of like they focus more on your face shape. So ako, since pabilog yung mukha ko, it's a round shape, ang dapat kong i-focus, my focal point is like here, on top, under my eyes, and not on my, up all of the cheeks. You know, like, dito siya. Do you want like, focal points lang, I swear. Ganun sila maglagay ng makeup. Ha? Ayun. So, this is, again, Lily by Red. Lily by Red. Pasensya na, bear with me kasi naulanan ako kanina. Kaya ganting boses ko. Lily by Red. Comment naman kayo guys kung nandyan pa kayo. Diba? Comment naman. Comment naman kayo guys. Grabe yung seller talaga natin. Napaka-clumsy, na para bang... Okay, moving to the next product. This is for everyone. Because this is like a skincare thing. This is for everyone. Dito po. Alam mo, sa mga nagka-comment, mahal ko kayo. If ever na you guys came sa Korea, you will know that I'm saying the same thing. Like, I'm telling the truth. Oh, by the way, before I unbox this is from Mediheal. Mediheal is one of the famous face mask brand. And this one, it's actually a mask, but more of like a focus mask, because it's for the eyes. This is what's Mediheal Retinol Collagen Eye Ampoule Patch. It's a patch. It's a collagen one, plus retinol din siya. Hindi ko siya malalagay today kasi may makeup ako. Hindi ko siya malalagay, but yeah. This one, it has retinol, collagen, hydrogel patch format, plus, I love you. Oh, me too! Uy, pasensya na, may ADHD yung seller talaga, hindi ako makapag-focus. Anyway, ayun nga, meron siya retinol din. For, if you guys don't know, retinol is a must in your skincare to avoid like skin aging, as well as, you know, yung fine lines natin around the eyes. Especially kapag tumatanda na tayo mga 20s, 30s, diba? We have to prevent that first before siya mag-form. Diba? Second, collagen. Ito yung nagpapa-firm tsaka yung plump ng skin natin. So it's a must, especially for girls. For girls, actually. And, yung format niya, it's like this. Wait. So, hindi ko siya alam buksan din. Paano? Guys, patulong ang buksan to. Wait nga. Nandyan pa kayo? Comment naman po. Comment naman. Hello everyone. Annyeonghaseyo. Kasi may Korean na pumasok. Comment naman kayo. Actually, you can see at the back yung mga products na personal faves ko, tsaka yung nasa personal link ko. Asan ba jowa nito? Walang taga-buka. Kaya nga eh. Bilhan. Ate, hindi ko siya mabuksan. Paano to? Paano ko kayo bubudulan kung di ko mabubuksan? Diba? Nalaloka ako na. Grabe. Ano ba yan? Bigay mo dito. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. Okay na, ito na. Tsan! Diba? Tsan! Tsan! Tapos ko yung live ko, 50%. Nahihirapan ako magbukas sa mga packaging. Kunwari, binigyan nila ako ng cutter. Binigyan nila ako ng cutter kanina. Wala din. Nahihirapan din ako magbukas. Okay, ganito siya. Ganito yung format niya. Look. This is for eye patch, guys. It has retinol and collagen inside, which means pampaganda, pampa-youthful, diba? So, tas ang ganda ng ano niya. Hindi siya yung normal na eye patch lang. Kasi tingnan mo, meron siya talagang essence. I don't know if you can see, pero meron siyang ano dito. Meron siyang, what do you call this? Parang bubbles na, yun yung retinol, actually. Kita nyo ba? Hindi, no? Pero, ayan siya, ganyan siya. And then, you put it under your eye. Na hindi ko mapuput, syempre, kasi may makeup ako. Pasensya na kayo. Hindi ko siya mapuput. Pero, it's like this. Lapit ako. It's like this. Meron siya mga ano dito, parang particles. Particles! Ate, Parang hindi ka naman nakinig ng chemistry lesson mo nan. Di ba? Ito siya, ganyan siya. Ganun yung, ano niya, yung presentation. At ganun yung presentation niya. And you put it under your eye. Maybe for like 30 minutes. Usually, masses are like for 30 minutes here. Yeah, that's right. This is from Mediheal. Mediheal Retinol Collagen Eye Mask. Okay? So, andyan pa ba kayo? Let's comment naman. Let's glow together. Kung nandyan pa kayo. Tingnan mo, even na inalis ko siya sa kamay ko, actually. See? It's so moist. Moisturizing. Plus, hindi siya sticky. It's not sticky. What I hate about my skincare routine is like the stickiness feeling. Kahit na sabihin mo na wait lang, kinabahan ako kasi kahit na sabihin mong napakaganda ng ingredients siya, but it's not comfortable to your face. It's not comfortable to your face. I don't think I would like it. You know what I mean? So for my skincare stuff, what I value most is the comfortability plus yung benefits niya sa skin ko. So it's that too. That is not non-negotiable for me. I mean, non-negotiable for me when it comes to skincare stuff. Ayun. Hello everyone. Daldal ka lang dyan, Neng. Para sa training. Okay. Comment naman kayo. Nandyan pa kayo. Sa mga nanonood in the Philippines, you can ask whatever. I will ask it. I will try to answer it. Sorry. Alam nyo, kanina nagbukas ako ng I need myself. Nagbukas ako ng... Dapat talaga hindi na binigay sa akin yung cutter kasi nahirapan din naman ako magbukas. Nasaktan ko pa yung sarili ko. Di ba? Hoy! Charm! Ayusin mo! And, wait lang, for the next product. Today, if you guys don't know pala, sa Korea, it's already fall. Fall na. So, sobrang cooler ng weather, I would say. Mamimiss ko yung summer because I love summer. I mean, not Korean summer, but like Philippine summer. Because, di mo kayo maniwala sa akin, Korean summer is hotter than the Philippine summer. Sobrang humid sa Korea, guys. Not just humid, pero yung heat niya, hindi siya bearable. That's why, sobrang... Walang in-between in Korea. It's either it's too hot or it's too cold. And this time naman, yung fall nila, my prediction is that maglalast lang siya ng one week. Because last time, it was like a week din. And then winter na. And then spring. Tapos summer. So this one, for the next product, we have product from Toriden. Toriden Solid in Ceramide Lip Essence. This is a lip balm that everyone can use. So regardless, kung hindi ka nagbe-makeup, if you're a fan of the no makeup look, or you just don't like makeup, you can use this. Even for guys, you can use this one, especially in cold weather. Cause nagda-dry lips natin eh. Actually, dry yung lips ko today. Nag-dry lips ko today. Kasi hindi rin ako nakapag prep ng mask ng face ko. So, apply natin siya. This one too, it's a very popular Olive Young must-have product. So, ganito siya. Hindi to messy. Yun yung gusto ko din. Hindi siya messy kasi yung packaging niya, ganito siya. It's parang sa rod. Hindi messy yung niya, yung packaging. Okay. From Toriden, guys. Ganito siya. Ganito yung packaging niya. Hindi messy to. It's like sa rod din. But, just like rod na yung lip tide nila, sorry. Yung lip tide nila, this one, it has a glossy finish, pero it is used as skincare more than makeup. So let me show you guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Yung difference? Nakikita nyo yung difference, right? Lapit ako. See? Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan? My link, it's pinned on the comment. My personal link, you can see it in my pinned comment. That's my personal faves, my recommendations. Diba? Sobrang cute. This one actually is used for skincare, but you can top it on your makeup too as a gloss. May benefit pa, diba? Ang ganda kaya. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. And this one's 11 ml. Plus, if you buy this one, I think, nasa 10K? Nasa 10K to sa website nila. You can check it. I actually compared the prices sa Olive Young. Similar yung prices nila, but the thing is, the different thing na ma-offer namin sa inyo is if you buy sa SellerKet's website, you can get one more of this product with the price of one. And free shipping din siya. Free shipping siya worldwide. Worldwide, guys, free worldwide shipping, no minimum required. No minimum required. Plus, makakuha ka pa ng free product. Diba? Who doesn't love free stuff? Filipinos! Hello? Mga nagsasharon, who doesn't love free stuff? Diba? You can get one or more of this with the price of one. Yung isa pang gift mo sa jowa mo. Yung isa, akuin mo. Diba? Hello! Hello to my friends! Hi! Kamusta kayo? Ano bang... Kwentuhan naman tayo, hindi nga nila naiintindihan. Kahit magtagalog tayo. Huwag niya lang akong dog showin, pero magkwentuhan tayo. wala silang deadma. Deadma sila. Diba? Tori din. Look at my lips, diba? Pati ako. Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan? My personal link, you can check it on my pinned comment, guys. Okay. So, Chigumkaji, these are the products that I've shown you. Like, first, the Torrid Solid Lip Balm. It's, sorry, Torrid Solid in Ceramide Lip Essence. This one, plus this one, it's from Mediheal. Ito yung retinol nila. Retinol and collagen at one. Mahal kaya ng retinol. If you buy like a single retinol product here in Korea, it costs like 20,000 won. Like the real one, ha? Hindi yung masasabi mo lang ng retinol yung product. Mahal kaya. And this one, it's like 2-in-1 na. May collagen pa. May retinol pa. And it's for your eyes. Diba? Sobrang perfect. So, up until now, I've shown you the Mediheal one, the eye mask, the retinol eye mask, and collagen one, and yung lip ceramide that is similar to Rods. You can buy these products in SellerKet's website. Okay, you can search it. Actually, I've pinned the comment for you guys. You can check it there. You can get 1+1 with their exclusive SUT token. Plus, free worldwide shipping, kahit no minimum required. Kahit nasaan ka, no matter in the Philippines or in the States or in the European countries, free worldwide shipping. Next, we have this cute. Actually, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ito yung i-demo ko sa inyo. Kasi, as someone na sobrang fan ng highlighters, ng mga shiny things sa mukha. This one's really my favorite. Promise. Diba sobrang cute? Sobrang compact niya. Hulaan nyo ano to. Comment kayo, hulaan nyo ano to. Guess what this is, guys? Hulaan nyo muna ano to. Hindi ko i-demo to kung hindi nyo mahulaan. Diba? Look. It's actually... Comment kayo ano to. Guess ano nyo to. Comment nyo. Ay, sinabi ko na? Ay! Ano ba sabi ko? Sabi ko shiny. Pasensya na. Baka yung stabilo na highlighter yun ah. Naloka ako. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya na kayo. Anyway, wait lang. O, hindi ko nabuksan ulit. O, ito na. Diba? Sobrang cute. Sobrang cute. This highlighter, it's the Colorgram Milk Bling Highlighter. If napanood niyo yung True Beauty na K-drama, the one with Sound, ito yung brand na yun. From Colorgram. Pasabog. Diba? Ang cute kaya niya. Diba? Sobrang cute. So, as I mentioned earlier, here in Korea, they focus more on the dimension of face. The dimension of your face. So, kung ako, pabilog nga yung mukha ko, my face has a round shape. So, more on the blending and highlighting part yung ginagawa nila. So, kung pabilog yung mukha mo, you will want to focus on this side of your face, like here, sa gitna. Yung focus niya, dito lang sa gitna. So, mag-focus ka sa nose mo, under your eye, tapos, dito rin sa merong lip thing. Dito sa may, I forgot the term, but like here. Show ko na lang, demo ko na lang, okay lang. This one is Colorgram Milk Bling Highlighter. Heart lighter. Pero tignan, paano ko gagamitin to kung ganito ka-cute? Di ba nakakapanghinayang? But anyway, ang gusto ko dito sa highlighter na to, tignan nyo. Wait lang. Ang gusto ko sa highlighter na to, hindi siya chunky. Na-try ko na to sa Olive Young actually. Hindi siya chunky. Walang gumagamit ng highlighter dito na chunky actually. So, dito siya. And ako, gusto ko naglalagay dito, personally. Dito sa side na to, ng face ko. Tsaka dito sa below the eyebrows. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo? If you... Diba? Kita nyo ba? Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo eh. Dito siya. See, hindi siya cakey. What I mean by cakey is like, parang nabe-bake yung mukha mo kasi ang daming makeups na nilagay mo. This one, hindi. Kahit pagpatupatungin mo, hindi siya. Ayan. Sana makita nyo. Diba? Tapos actually, ilalagay ko pa sana siya dito. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganyan siya sa mukha. Kung sana meron akong meron akong model dito. Tapos, saka yun ko i-demonstrate. Yung parang sa mga malls na nag-demonstrate ng products sila. I can do it for you guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? This is from Colorgram Milk Bling Heart Lighter. This one. Super cute collectibles. Even na yung mga, actually nagko-collect ng makeups. Sobrang cute ng nila. You can just buy this one. And this one is in the shade. Pasensya na hindi ko mabasa. Spring Pink Blossom. Shade Spring Pink Blossom. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya. Kita niyo ba yung ano ng nose ko? Yung angat ng nose ko? Hindi niya na need magpa-rhinoplasty. Just buy this one. Diba? Real math. On the way po. Diba? Just buy this one. Ba't ko magpa-rhinoplasty? This one. This good thing sa highlighter nga nito is finely milled yung shimmer niya. Hindi siya yung chunky glitters. Kasi, kung chunky yung glitters mo, hindi yun magre-reflect sa'yo. Ang mga Koreans dito, they love glass skin-like makeup. So this one, it gives you that glass skin-like makeup. So, ayun lang, ganyan lang, di ba? Wala na, ganyan lang yan. Di ba? Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo? I guess kita nyo. Hello, ayan. So, eto. Recap ng mga from Colorgram Milk Blink Heart Lighter. It has a heart-shaped packaging, just what I showed you. Super cute ng collectible nito if you're a fan of collecting makeups. Yung shimmer niya, it's finely milled. Sobrang lightweight din sa mukha. You can top it on top of your makeup. Plus, yung radiance na makukuha mo dito, it'll give you a glass skin light. So, perfect siya for highlighting cheekbones, nose, and this one, like under your eyebrows. This one, Colorgram. Balik natin. Second one, yung kanina pinakitang blush na mousse na you can use on your lips then, which I used earlier actually. This is from pasensya na, sorry. From Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Mousse. Shade Cherry Mousse, actually. Sobrang pwede siyang pwede siyang Pasensya na, may ADHD kasi ako. This one. Kung naalala nyo, pinang-top ko to kanina, tapos tinop ko din ito together. You can use it together. Like, use this first, and then this one. Or you can use this one and this one sa lips. Diba? Perfect. Sobrang perfect na. You can use it together. Plus, this one. Sorry. This one. This one is an eye collagen mask. Actually, marami sa Korea, aside sa retoke ng ilong, maraming ginagawa like fillers, which is like, aside sa lip fillers, ginagawa nila under eye fillers. Like, as it is. So, I suggest na before you underwent sa procedure na yun, before ka kumuha ng fillers, try using an eye mask first, which has retinol in it. Hindi ko kayo sinisales talk, pero totoo, advice ko to sa inyo sa enthusiasts of skincare and beauty. Before kayo magpa-filler, guys, kuha mo na kayo ng whey, like cream, patch. Actually, this is a patch, but it's an eye mask too. You can use this and the cream, which has retinol in it, under your eyes, and you can try using it consistently, maybe like a month or so. And after that, kung hindi nag-improve yung condition ng under eye mo, that's where you can go do fillers. Pero for me, this is enough. Just try using it like consistently. Wag kayong 2 weeks pa lang or 1 week pa lang use, tapos gahanap na ng immediate result. Because there is no immediate results. That's what I understand in the Korean market. Like, there's no immediate results. You have to use it religiously. I'm not even kidding, guys. And this one's really sulit. Talagang sulit to. Kasi, it has, ilang patch to? Ilang patch to, sorry. Pwede ko siya mahanap. Bilangan ko ba? But this one's really affordable and economical. Economical in this economy. Before ka magpa-fillers. In this economy. So, my recommendations, you can use this blush and then the highlighter from Colorgram and Lily by Red together. Or you will want to use this blush, cheek mousse, that you can use this and then top this one too. You can use it together. Ayan na, nabubulil na ako. Andiyan pa kayo? Comment naman po. Comment naman. Comment naman kayo, guys. This one and this one. This is my favorite, actually. Because look at my lips. Look at my lips. Like, it's giving that plumpy, juicy, plump, juicy looking lips, diba? This is for you. Or sa mga men viewers, like, you can use this alone. You can use this alone. Ayan. This is a recap, actually. So, those are my personal favorite, like, my personal vault, I would say. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Must have for beauty, kissable lips, right? That's true. Kumusta yung weather ngayon sa Pilipinas? Buti naman wala nag-comment naman. Looking forward to it. Looking forward. Raining po. It's raining. Raining then. This is better for rainy weather. Like, inside your house, diba? Inside your house, you can use this, like, do Netflix and chill, and have this one too, diba? Sobrang perfect combination. Sobrang perfect combination. Na-pressure ako, may pumasok. May pumasok, kumukuha ng pictures. Na-pressure ako. Ngayon pa siya pumasok, talagang tinimingan niya. Tinimingan yung pumasok siya ngayon. Walang nagka-comment. Walang nagka-comment. Hang there, guys. Anong gusto niyo ipakita ko? Like, personally, anong gusto niyo makita next? Skincare, health, fashion. Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung fashion. Sorry guys, pasensya na sa boses. Nakaduyin papunta na mag-training. Mukhang... Si Mom, nasan si Mom? Si Mom, wala si Mom. Hindi ko siya nakita ng comment. And si daughter. Alam yung Rain kanina, what I said earlier, like sa introduction, first 5 minutes na wala pala akong audio, pero salita ako ng salita. Kanina sinabi ko, yung Rain kanina dito, pa-sidewards. So, papunta ako kanina sa studio. Basang-basa ako. Eh, nilalamig pa man din ako. Pa-sidewards yung Rain. Ko, nagpa-rain shower pa, diba? Ang lala. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya naalis. Hindi siya naalis. Present Tita Nis. Hi! Muntik na ako nagtampo, wala sa daughter. Hello everyone! If you guys like want something na papa-flex. Flex? Grabe yung Filipino Filipino, no? Yung origin, yung roots, flex. Wala nag-use lang dito ng term na yun. I can show you. I can show you anything. Sa mga nagtatanong, saan pwedeng bumili? You can check it dyan sa link na yan. I-redirect nila kayo sa personal link ko. Or, if hindi naman kayo interested sa mga products na to, you can check other creators' personal link too. They have that one too. Plus, may mga yung ilban, general, no, not general, common, regular products sila doon sa website nila, na applicable din naman yung 1+1 offer nila, SUT coin offer, and even yung free worldwide shipping. Yun talaga yung offer na gusto kong i-grab nyo. I-grab natin, actually. Kasi talaga, saan kayo makakakita ng ganun? Diba sa mga pasabay sa Pilipinas, they have commission. They have commission there. Dito naman, through their website, just use their website, their platform, you can have a free worldwide shipping. No questions asked, diba? Sobrang perfect. And, not just that, kung i-use mo yung SUT token nila, yung token nila, it's like a coin sa website. Ginawa nila yun to be accessible to everyone, globally. Not just here in Korea. Sa mga friends ko here in Korea, to my friends here in Korea, you can use this website too. And you can still get a free shipping kahit na nasa Korea ka. I'm just putting emphasis to my followers, to my friends in the Philippines, na you can buy stuff from Korea if you want through seller kits. You know naman ang aking rich person. Daughter mo na skincare na. Ayan, start your skincare journey with SellerKit. Start with these things. Lip balm first, and then eye patch. Lip balm from Torridon. I think you've heard this Torridon. Kasi sobrang talaga popular sila. Torridon, Mediheal, Colorgram, and Lily by Red. And actually, wait lang, tingnan yung lips ko. Na-distract ulit ako. ADHD my seller, pero na-distract. Tingnan yung lips ko. Look at that. Ito lang yan. This one, and this one, and this one. Lips. Moment. Lips, right? And this one too. Yes! Ask your friends to buy together. And then share the cost, diba? Girl math. Sana tumigil na yung ulan. Loka ako. This. Guys, ano nga kayo? Wait lang, sa mga friends. Sa mga friends ko dun. Pa-screenshot naman. 1, 2, 3. Ano lang? Live seller fantasy. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot doon. Ayan. Grabe yung fantasy. Sa mga na-frustrate kasi hindi ko ma-open yung mga ano kayo. Pasensya na. Pasensya na kayo ah. Anyway, for recap. Done na po. Thank you so much! Okay, for recap, I'll just say, like, kantanage, like, simply yung mga products. And yung kanilang benefits, okay? SSD. Uy, salamat naman. Salamat naman. Okay. ko. Tignan mo. ADHD. Recap. Okay. First, this Toriden Solid Lip Essence. No. Sorry. Toriden Solid and Ceramide Lip Essence. Infused with ceramides. Ceramides, if you guys are not familiar, it strengthens and helps protect your lips. Yung texture niya, it has like a balmy essence texture, which is, hindi siya sticky. Hindi siya sticky. It's not sticky at all. See? Hindi siya sticky. But this one is a balm. It's not even a gloss. Pero alam niyo yun, dupe for Rod. Sino ka dyan? Second, this one, Retinol Collagen Eye Patch from Mediheal. Before I put fillers, try this one first and combine it with cream. And what else? This one too. This finely milled highlighter. Grabe highlighter for that glass skin-like finish. And this one. Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Mousse, Color Milk Bling Heart Lighter, and Mediheal Retinol Collagen Eye Patch, plus Toriden Solid and Ceramide Lip Essence. Which one's your favorite so far? Like, can you comment? Comment naman. Can you comment anong favorite nyo maliban sa seller? Paki-comment anong favorite nyo. Anong favorite nyo sa lahat? So, as I was saying, these products, not just these products, but this is like your chance to stock up or to start if you're not still starting to purchase double lip tide po, right? Lip tide. This K-Beauty Icons with Seller Cat's exclusive promotions. And remember, actually, this promotion is like a beta launch campaign that is actually ending soon, but it was extended until October 10 of this year. So, i-grab nyo yung opportunity. I'm not even doing sales talk right now. Kasi, kahit ako, bibili ako. Kasi sobrang 1+1. In Olive Young, it doesn't even exist 1+1. Kasi tapos na yung ng Olive Young ngayon eh. It ends on October 10th. 10th of October. So, grab your chance and don't wait. Click the link, tapos shop your favorites, and enjoy the double purchase of your product with this price of one. And of course, with SUT token. And yung highlighter, I guess. Lily by Red Blush. Oh! Sa mga... Okay. Okay, favorite ko din yan. Favorite ko to. Kaya, favorites. My favorites. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me here sa live session ko. I've been a clumsy live seller, but thank you for bearing with me. And thank you sa pagsakay ng mga tip ko. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. All the love. Check Seller Cat's website now, okay? Thank you. What if mag-cry ako? Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow Seller Cat's official Instagram too. And see you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you, promise. Bye. See you next time.